Hi guys, Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Monday the 11th of February 2013. It'll be a fairly quick update today because we're only going to be checking out the Asx200 and see what happened there. Before we get into today's update, I just need to remind you that AussieChartTrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Okay, so let's take a look now at the Asx200. Okay, looking on the hourly chart here of the Asx200, following up from the weekly review, guys, we approached that orange line today. Now, we resisted off this area. We got as high as 4,977, and we came within 3 points of this area. Now, this brown line, guys, if we go to the daily chart just quickly, it's our overhead resistance line from the April highs that we've seen there back in 2011. Now, if I zoom the chart in a little bit, you can see in today's trade we tagged around that area. Let's go back to the hourly chart for a second. The question remains, guys, will we get over this area now, or will we come down to break this lower support level that we've got drawn on the chart? So it'd be very interesting to see in tomorrow's trade whether we come down and test this area of support or whether we come up and challenge this higher level of resistance. So guys, it is a crossroad. I think we should definitely know by the 13th of February or by the end of this week exactly what's going to happen with the Asx200 around this area. Guys, as we mentioned in the weekly review, this may be a blue neckline, potentially. I'm not going to make a huge bold prediction, but this does look like we may be forming a left shoulder here, and we might be working on that head right now. But never say never, because we still have the possibility that we might see high gains in the S&P 500 at this stage, but the S&P would have to get over that 1525 level that we discussed in the weekly review. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up today's market update. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with an update of the S&P 500 and a further update of the Asx200. If you're not a subscriber to AussieChartTrends.com.au and you're watching this video on a delayed basis, all I ask is that you consider being a subscriber to the site. Thanks very much for watching.